Why is it like that? It's going like this for some reason. Okay, here. I'm recording it, so. Good. Put it. Okay. Let me try to lift you up. Come on. Do it. Okay, let me try. Huh? Try to catch it. Okay, let me try holding him again. Here, Olivia. Let me try holding him again. Just put the balloon down. Okay, babe. Okay, move over a little. Try to get the one near you. You caught it. Oh, you caught it. Try to catch it. Okay, try to catch it. Olivia, quit bending back. You done? You tired, or do you want to still catch more? You done? You want to hold your balloon?
You want to go back to the room or watch some more? Watch some more.
Okay, here. Take your balloon.
Okay, hold on. You gotta get on the left side.
Okay.
Okay. Come on. I couldn't catch the fish. You did it.
You tried.
You did better than I did. I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on. We'll just walk around the other building too.
I'm 15 and you're 5. You did 10 times better than that.
He has more energy too.
Hey. I had energy like I did when I was 5. Okay.
5?
Yes.
Yeah, well.
This. We can still play cats. Okay.
Yes, we
You
could.
can. You.
You would.
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to go to the... Nope, come on. I put it on YouTube. What are you talking about? Come on. Come on.
Okay.
You gonna be calm about
Can I see
it?
my phone, please?
Oh yeah, I do have your phone. Can't really see over here. Hold on. What are you doing?
I'm stretching.